In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Dow Jones in TradingView. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Products up top and click on Supercharts. Now, of course, you want to be signed into your account, and then you want to go to the top left over here, and you want to click on Symbol Search. In here, you have a few options. You could either go and type in DJI, which is going to be the Dow Jones Industrial Average over here, where you can see, of course, this index. Or what you could also do is simply type in Dow Jones like this, and you'll be able to basically find it. Or you could just do like US 30, and it's going to be over here as well. So just click on the one you want to view or the one you want to add. So for example, it's going to be this one for me. I'm going to click on Dow Jones 30. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to show me that specific thing on the chart, and I've successfully added it to my chart. Okay, so that's basically how easy it is. Of course, you can go ahead and click on any of the other ones as well, and then view those too. Okay, if you want to add them to your watch list, you can click on the watch list top right plus button, and in here you can find the exact same thing. So there we go. I'm gonna look for US 30, for example, Dow Jones 30. You can just click on the plus button next to it, and there we go. It's been added to my watch list. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.